The original intent was to create a better TIG welding torch.
We always had this drive for innovation. Really take the TIG torches and elevate them. And all that is listening to the needs of the welders.
Every product here at CK does have that human touch to it.
We just have a better product. For one thing, I'm making the parts, and so I know they're good. I have a lot of pride in what I do.
There's always somebody to answer the phone. CK Worldwide, this is Carrie. It just gives it that more personal vibe, because we're not machines, we're people.
Throughout the process, we've got easily 6 points of quality control for any product before it leaves our building.
You know when you ship something out that it's going to be top quality.
Seeing the product that you create influence so many different individuals across the world has such a positive effect on how we do business and how we want to move forward.